Hello guys, Satosolar345 here today. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of a very rare Gemini Jets. And I'm very excited to show you this model. I got this off of eBay about a week ago. And that model is the Gemini Jets Virgin Atlantic 747-400. This is very rare if you do not know that. And if you want to know why I got this, I will tell you why at the end of this video. So yeah, let's get this party started. This is my first ever Gemini Jets in a tin box. Or metal box, which one you want to call it. And yeah, so I'm going to have to cut this video off for a sec. So yeah, you're going to have to bear with me on that part. Okay, we're getting somewhere. And here it is. Wow, this is nice. This is sick. Comes with a stand. I did not know that. So yeah, I did not know this at all. This is so cool. I thought this was just going to come in like a regular Gemini Jets box. So, yeah, so there it is. I'm so glad to have this. So, yeah, so. Get that in one hole. Then please hold. So let's see if this plane is in one piece. I guess the answer is yes. Okay, that was convenient. And voila! So here it is. Very nice. Let's take a good look at the bottom. I have no idea what year this came out. It does not have that Gemini Jets logo on the bottom. Looks 100% good. Wow, this is sick. Wow, I made the right decision. So one of the reasons I got this model is that my cousin and my cousin's husband flies on Virgin Atlantic almost 24/7. Okay, I wouldn't say 24/7, but they fly on Virgin Atlantic a lot. Mostly to well, London, of course, a lot. Sorry, I hesitated, but yeah, so very nice. It's very nice. Yeah, I love the silver on it. It looks just like the real plane. I used to see this plane also. Well, I think I used to see it a lot. So, yeah, let's get some detail on the plane. So, as you can see, it says Tinkerbell on it. The one that you want to marry. So, you can see the hot chick on it. The one that you want to marry. I know you might want to marry this Tinkerbell. You can see the Boeing 747-400 logo, the Virgin Atlantic logo, the Love at Flying First flight on it. So my guess, this is the first Virgin Atlantic plane, and you can see the Virgin logo on it. So yeah, so you can see the British flag on it, and that is brilliant. I had to say that in a British accent. I'm really bad at it. So I'm going to have to say that, I'm going to have to go to a British class soon. But, yeah, so, it's very nice. You can see the APU. Love the Virgin logo. The only Virgin I flew on was Virgin America. But I never flew on Virgin Atlantic because I never flew out of America before, except Mexico. So yeah, I never flew out of the country except Mexico and St. Martin. But that was last year for St. Martin. But Mexico was several years earlier. But yeah, so very nice. So very nice plane. Yeah, so I will be making a review video on this, but yeah, so just going to give you another view on the hot chick on Tinkerbell, the one that you want to marry. But yeah, so love that first flight. But yeah, love the red on it. So yeah, so that is pretty much it for today's video. So yeah. So thank you for watching. And if you're wondering why you are seeing the airport like this, very shortly I'm going to be making a airport from the mostly either mid-90s or late 90s, mostly mid-90s. And I'm also going to be getting some more planes, so you're going to be seeing some more unboxing videos, and I'm going to be getting some GSE shortly from Jake from Jet Set Models. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to look out for the review video on the Virgin Atlantic 747 400 with Tinkerbell on it. So yeah, pretty much it. Make sure to marry Tinkerbell, and I will see you next time. Southwest Flyer 345 signing off.